Welcome back to the Camp Nou. Today we're back with a fresh construction update from inside the stadium. We'll start in the Tribuna area and track progress across key sections of the site. Let's take a closer look at how the Camp Nou renovation is moving forward. In the interior of the Tribuna, we can see several cranes operating. Some prefabricated elements have recently been lowered into place. On this side, there is a large amount of prefabricated seating and stair sections stored. Many of these elements will soon be installed in the Tribuna stands. We can also see several lifting platforms standing by. Workers continue installation and adjustment tasks in this section. The third tier of the Tribuna is progressing at a very good pace. Now we arrive at the lateral area, and the transformation is impressive. Multiple sections of ceiling slats are already installed, forming a modern look. Two major sectors are nearly complete, with only a few slats missing. Behind these slats, walls have already been painted black. This confirms that installation and finishing are progressing together. Another important highlight is the compression ring structure. New pillars for the compression ring are being prepared and staged on site. Yellow lifting components are already attached, showing installation is imminent. In the coming days, more large structural elements may be lifted into place. Now let's take a quick look at the diamond area. Here, there are no major changes compared to the last update. All structural supports for the future glass panels are already installed along the lateral section. Some workers are nearby, cutting or adjusting metal pieces, visible through sparks from lifting platforms. Looking around this section, we can see a large amount of stored construction material. This includes insulation material, rock wool, prefabricated concrete elements, and structural components. At the far end of the diamond area, new plasterboard panels have been installed. The interior walls are now clearly taking shape. Now we move toward the south goal, and here we have important news. We can already see horizontal supports installed for the future ceiling slats. These supports will form the base for the false ceiling system. This new section shows preparation for slat installation moving forward sector by sector. More supports are visible on the beams, slowly advancing toward the Tribuna. This is a very positive sign compared to the last visit. In this area, we can see several pillars at different construction stages. Some pillars are fully concreted, while others are still being prepared with reinforcement. Workers are installing anchor systems that will later hold the ceiling slats. These anchors are fixed carefully using large bolts and crane assistance. This process is essential for the next roofing and interior finishing phase. In the corner section, most of the slat anchors are already installed. Only a few remain, mainly in the lower sections. At the same time, painting work has started on the block walls. Black paint is being applied, preparing walls for the final interior appearance. Some areas remain unfinished, but overall progress here is solid. In this section, we can see water flowing from the upper levels. This could be part of waterproofing tests or drainage system checks. Large amounts of water were observed flowing toward the diamond area. This suggests active testing of rainwater management systems. Rock wool insulation has now been installed across multiple lateral sections. This insulation will later be covered, while lower areas are prepared for glass panels. Stacks of glass panels are already waiting nearby for installation. Moving toward the north goal, the area is usually calm, but today there is progress. Supports for ceiling slats are now being installed here as well. We can clearly see anchor points for future slat structures. This marks the beginning of the same process seen in other sections. Back near the Tribuna corner, activity is lighter. Some interior work continues, and more prefabricated seating sections are being prepared. Overall, this area remains stable with no major changes. That's all for today's Camp Nou update. We'll keep monitoring every area and share all progress in upcoming videos. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like, subscribe to MegaBuilds Pro, and turn on notifications and share. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to MegaBuilds Pro to catch every new change as it happens. We'll be back soon with more fresh updates only here on MegaBuilds Pro.